Today's date, 4/17/2019, 4:26 p.m. I have a daily chart right here on the Philadelphia SOX Index. It's a blow off top. These are all the stocks that trade in the index. And I can just show you, they've been the best mover when we did have that recovery. And now they too are overbought in here. And we've traded them. Semiconductors lead rallies. But listen, in that last correction that we had, it was what? The semiconductors. They're the ones that had the blow off top in the last correction in 2018, October, November, and December. And we are the first ones to have had this very long rally, and it's been an outstanding rally in the semis. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow up this daily chart, and I'll explain to you what a blow off top is. I'm going to explain to you what you need to know, and you need to know it. And we'll also cover a weekly chart. So we're going to get into it right now. And here it is. Look, this is the high of this index. This is a blow off top. This is definitely a blow off top in the sector. What I am going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to pull up a trend line, and I'm going to go horizontal. That's going to be the resistance area. This is the best performing index, I can tell you. But this time of year, going into the summer, a seasonally weaker time for semi stocks. I'm going to bring that right up here off of that trend line. And then I'm going to bring it off this side of it so you can see the actual channel that we have. It has to connect right up there. So this is what it looks like from this view. Now, I'm going to hit clear, and we're going to go to a horizontal trend line. And here's the deal. Right there's that top. This is how they gapped it up. This was the last breakup that we just had. And it is, and we're in earnings season, and it's been the best performing index. It will lead the market lower. It's going to give you the tell that you need to know. This extremely bullish on the daily chart, and now I'm going to show the weekly chart. Oh, not to mention that we're overbought on this index, and we are. That's another reason why it's going to go down. There's that weekly chart on the semiconductor index. It's a weekly. It's overbought, and it's going to come down, and no one's going to stop it. It's been the greatest rally, the semis, and we're going into an earnings season, and this is not the time of year. Usually in June and July, this in particular index can have a problem. We are in the earnings season. So that 10-week moving average is at 1411. That's that blue line right there. And basically, this has been the best. And it's also going to be the one that gives us a warning when it does come down, and it will. It's overbought. No matter what. No one's going to stop it. You better listen. And here's your clue for you, is that it will lead the market. When this starts to have a correction, then the other markets and the other indexes will follow. Some of the better performers, ABGO, which we got a short position on now. You had Qualcomm that came out with news. I'll be doing a separate video on that, with the lawsuit with Apple. Texas Instruments have done well. Xilinx has done well. In the January quarter, these stocks rocked. They beat the reports, a lot of them. They had given guidance that was to the upside, but now we're in a seasonality lower period that this particular Q1 that we're in now, there's going to be some disappointments in some of these stocks that are in the index. And so these are all of them right here and whatnot. So we're always on this every single day, been doing it that way for the last 35 years. I'm going to conclude the weekly chart. I'm going to conclude the blow off top. I'm going to conclude that we're overbought and we have to come down, and we will. And we're here on that daily. This is a real blow off top up here, and we're going to be doing what? I'm going to show you. We will be looking at the put options on the index in itself. So once again, this has been one of the best bull runs for the semis. Unfortunately, we're overbought. You got to know when to get out. Earnings season's here. That's the end of it.